closes with the closing brace. And also, so the number of opening braces has to be equal to the number of closing braces. So when you have this program, it's easy. Then you can run it and compile it. If you have any issue, the system is asking me now, what's your age? So I'll tell it, okay, I am, for example, I can say I'm 35. The system say your face is 80. Thank you. So I can make it to continuously ask this question instead of me having to run it all the time. So you see how we do that. So if I type something like 17, the system will tell me, oh, your face is 40. Thanks, kid. So that means you're younger than people that are 80 years old. So that's really how this works, and that's a simple program that you can use that demonstrate how to use relational operators in Java. Thank you. So let's look at what happened in the last project that we did. So first of all, notes on the bus fare program. First, we declare all variables. The two variables were the fare and of course the age of the passengers. We ask for the user to enter or put in their age. The user enters their age. We use a method called readInteger. It's used to assign an integer value to an integer variable age. Then the program uses an if statement to check if the age is greater than 18. If this is true, then the fare will be 80 cents. Thank you. Will be printed. That is, the statement inside the first curly bracket will be processed. If the if statement is false, that is, the age is less than or equal to 18, or all other possibilities beside age less than 18, then the statements inside the curly bracket after else are processed. Both set of operators, if or else, cannot be processed. Either one of them will be carried out. It is a case of either or. So if this statement is true, perform the action in the curly bracket. Else, if the statement after the if statement is false or untrue, then perform the action inside this curly bracket. That's really how that works. So I'm going to look at the second project. How do you grade students in class? So all these are simple projects, assignments that can be given to students. So writing a program to grade students. So the first thing you really need to do is you need to declare your variables. You need to declare and initialize your variable. So the first thing is grading student has to do with scores. So what's the total scores? 100. So what is going to be our data type is integer. So integer is the declaration and initialization is the value 100. Then of course scores, we don't know the scores. Student can score 20, 30, whatever. So we don't know the value. So what we do is we just declare, and the values will be supplied by the students or the instructor. So the next thing will be to get the scores. So something has to come out, either a voicemail or just a pop-up telling you what is your score, please. Then you have to enter this value, and now your if else statement will start. If the score is greater than or equal to 80, the system will print you have A. Else, if it's greater than or equal to 80, sorry, now the first one was 90, 80, you have B. If its score is greater than or equal to 70, you have C. If it's else, if it's greater than or equal to 60, you have D. Then if you have not met up any of this condition, then F will be returned back to you. So that's really how it's done. Make sure all the curly braces, the total number of opening curly braces equals the number of closing curly braces